INOX-TEK, an OEM valve manufacturer from Taiwan. Introducing our Sanitary Valve Series. Pure, precise, professional. Our valves meet the strictest hygiene standards, featuring an internal roughness of RA less than 0.4 microns and an external mirror finish of RA 0.3 microns. Experience our complete sanitary ball valve solutions. Available in 2-piece, 3-piece, multi-port, 3-way, and 4-way with sizes from DN15 to 100. We also offer sanitary butterfly valves, engineered with a seamless design for easy cleaning, durability, and reliable flow control. For the valve end connections, you can choose from clamp ends, butt weld, RJT male ends, or tank bottom ends. Also, OEM end connections are available upon request. We also offer sanitary fittings and accessories to complete your pipeline, including high-quality pipe fittings, unions, ferrules, clamps, wing nuts, and other OEM accessories upon request. Our sanitary valves are designed for critical environments. From biotechnology and pharmaceuticals to semiconductor ultra-pure water systems or data center liquid cooling centers, and also food and beverage or dairy processes, and even sugar plants. Our Sanitary Valve Series is an ideal solution for those industries. Secure your process with certified hygiene, sourced directly from the manufacturer. INOX-TEK, your partner in purity.